Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will explore two words that confuse many English learners, then and then. These words sound similar but have completely different meanings and uses. Then is related to time, while then is used for comparisons. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly when to use each word. Let's start by looking at these two words side by side. On the left, we have then, and on the right, we have then. Notice that they are spelled differently. Then has an E, while then has an A. This small difference in spelling tells us that these words have different meanings and functions in English. First, let's understand the word then. Then means time or what happens next in a sequence. When you use then, you are talking about when something happens or the order in which things happen. It refers to a specific moment or a series of events that follow one after another. Now let's look at then. Then is used when you compare two things. Whenever you want to show that one thing is bigger, better, smaller, or different from another thing, you use then. Think of it this way: then shows a difference between two things. Here are examples of then in sentences. First example, I ate dinner, then watched TV. This shows a sequence of events. First, the person ate dinner. After that, they watched TV. Second example, first study, then play games. This tells you the order of activities. Do your studying first, and after that, you can play games. Now let's see examples of then in sentences. First example, she is taller than me. This compares the heights of two people. The second person is taller when compared to me. Second example, this is better than that. This compares the quality of two things. One thing is better when compared to the other thing. Here are common mistakes students make. First mistake, saying she is taller than me. This is wrong because then refers to time, not comparison. Second mistake, saying this is better than that. Again, we cannot use then for comparisons. Always remember, use then for time and then for order, and use then for comparisons. Here is a simple rule to help you remember. Think of the word time when you see then. The words then and time both have an E for then. Remember, it is used for comparisons. These memory tricks will help you use these words correctly every time. Practice using these words in your daily conversations and writing to master them.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.